Wahala, they say be like bicycle. Babes no they shame again. Babes no they shame again. Babes no they shame again. No, they are shame. They are shame. They shame my shame. This babe when they see for this video soon. I decided to show this version of the video. I get the one where they for show her face, but I don't want to show her face. I want just cover her privacy small. This babe when they see for you like this, so this bra get red passport. Me say bra come for the obodo ibo their broad things. Bra can reach Nigeria, bra can say make you run small shoes. Bra can carry this babe onto the lotion level. Babe na senior lotion because babe na slay queen. Babe charge start from 40 grand. Babe can charge bra 40 grand. Bra can look the money cause say okay. Because I be good guy, because of my own, out of my own benevolence, make I give 50 grand. Because bra look and say 40 grand too small. If I convert and go dollars, or I convert and go British pounds, any money where I convert and go 40k Nigeria money, it's small. Man, just do this babe well. Because I something onto something where I put to something. Maybe I made the babe find herself for street. Bra use his church mind. They use church mind till they give her shower money. Bra use a good mind. Bra use a good mind. Carry good mind. He could do transfer, business transaction. Bra transfer. Branga, babe cause he show 50 grand. He enter. Bra give this babe 50 grand. Bra say I come make we go run something. They come go run something. As I can run something finish like this now, bra tire, bra sleep waka. Bra no say I seen they sleep like this, babe they crawl inside the ass, they crawl like cricket, they find where to go fit size P. Babe they crawl around, now babe collect bra diamond earring, or you not say that one no rich. Now babe collect bra gold, me say na tiny gold or small gold they shine body for worry that year. Now lie yo, the gold heavy. The gold na stone. Now babe collect bra gold. The one where pay me pass when I hear the gist be say, babe collect bra passport. Babe waiting. I hear an idea wo waiting happen. Babe waiting happen. Waiting happen. How can you collect bra passport? Are you where they say you come? How can you collect bra passport? When I hear the matter the first I say normally. All these are shit where they see before. Normally, when they finish work, they won't do picky, they won't pick one or two. So the babe picking diamond and picking gold. We go look and say na street credibility. But for the babe to go pick passport, babe, now your face is the passport. And the girl even get mind though. If they provoke, if they shout, they speak English with accent where they be on. People whether the Yankee, people whether the Mama Charlie country, they never ever use that accent. Me, I don't do this country for almost a decade now. I don't even they talk like that. Babe, they form accent. They tell us, say, it's not with me. It's not with me. Check me. This is my bag. I need to go. I don't like this. Oh, Joey Kosharena. They speak English. Finally, what's it called happen? Make allow now watch the video. Make una see her go. Mona see the things where we say happen for inside this video. Oh yeah, watch and make you listen with your ear. How they come?
My green passport, and I came with two passports, the red one and green one. So I left both of the passport in last night. So how come I'm saying
this is my bag, and by the way, what do I want to use the passport to do?
That's sure it's everything.
Okay. What did I want to use the passport to do? See, this is my wallet. I have nothing in it. This is it. So why are you accusing me wrongly?
Can I check it out?
Yeah, sure.
You won't be.
But passport here and Bilalian.
Larry, so we cannot pick there in Lano. Honestly speaking, I don't know.
Accuse me for stealing. Can you imagine?
Lady, you accused of me. You took my stuff. I just want to check it, but that was the main thing. I'm not saying you're not going, but I need to get my passport, my red passport, my diamond,
so why
and
do
my
you
gold.
check me?
In me, I tell you, call us to be Laliano. Yes, I can come in.
Larry.
Larry today. Oh, let me show you the passport. No.
It's off me, man. We cannot do it. I told you yesterday.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n tún ṣe ń ṣe kíní pẹ̀lú ẹ̀wọ̀n ọ̀rọ̀ fáńdùlẹ̀ wọn ṣẹ́ ní kùn. Passport here and Bilalian.
I
I need to
Can I check your body?
No.
What do you mean no? What do you mean no? Well, I need to get my passport before you leave.
This is my bag. There is no passport in here. Hello.
What do you got to look about in here? What do you by sharing? Can I check your body, please? Woman, can you sit and let me check your body? Can I check your body?
But am I refundable?
No. Me, Rofando, but I just need to check. Do you have my passport?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
What about my diamond?
No.
Sure, quickly. 40k ló lóun máa gbà mọ́ fún 50k. 50k ni mo transfer
Ṣé
fún.
mo ṣeré fún ẹ dáadáa ni?
Video tó ṣe máa post. Video tó wà post tó bá ṣe transfer mi fún mi padà. What is this?
Can you imagine?
What is this?
Can you imagine?
What is this?
Okay. How about
Where's
the
my
gold?
gold? Where's my
Tell
gold?
him to stop doing my video now.
Can I have my gold, please?
Okay, please. Can you do
Can I have
Drop
my
the gold
please?
first.
Ah.
Can you imagine? Oh, yeah.
Most of you cannot believe in Lale and now. Most of you
Tell
mind
him to
you.
just please stop.
Mind
Put
you.
this issue.
Wallahi,
Wait,
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀
I won't post it. Ẹ̀gbọ́n, kó ṣe 50k tó gbà kó dá padà. Kó transfer ẹ̀ padà.
Fún mi fóònù. Wallahi, màá pe ọlọ́pàá fún yẹn.
I'm begging. Let him just my video, please.
Ṣé fèsì ló wà ní passport ni? Ṣé fèsì ló wà ní passport ni? Ṣé fèsì ló wà ní passport?
My
Fèsì ló wà ní passport.
face, please.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n, ẹ kó jẹ́ kó transfer wá sóyún ẹ̀ padà. 50k yẹn just transfer.
Una see Anna? Una see Anna? Now I don't they beg me they cancel video, me they not put video for social media. Now that small beg where she beg, that make me not show her face. But if you now go look where for the Twitter side, for the Instagram side, some people they what do they call them today not some other places when I go see her for there. But me I decide not to show her face. I decide to put some more respect inside her body. Now make me say I no go show her face. Babes, make una they calm down. Make una they behave. See, Asha they turn to friends. As in, you go carry Ashi before you go know, you go turn to your friend. And the way Ashi take behave. Hookup don't turn normal now for the Niger side. I'm not gonna blame them finish because now different things. Now they carry poke for the matter. They be adults. If adult decide to go do hookup now in business, I'm not gonna tell you say good, I be no good. I don't know if you push my morals for your head. Otebe, you understand? For the America, so daytime, crow, afternoon, Texas, I see Ashi. Afternoon, not be night, afternoon. I will hear say the taxi will carry me that day, the Uber will carry me that they talk say that they get license to even walk as Ashi. So for some countries, Ashi now walk where they walk, they pay tax. When you now, so not be me go tell her the kind of job where she go do. Any job where she decide to do now business. My problem is her stealing. She not just thief, normal thiefing. She called thief the guy. See the way the guy they shake like what do they call her? Dodo. Way overripe where they fry. The guy don't know say it all red because village people really follow this guy, call torment this guy life. Because without that passport, how that guy wants to go back to the Obodo Yibo country where he come from. How? Where? The guy they check all the drawer. They check where put her, where not put her. Nearly open grand self, make it bring her out. This girl wicked. The guy na very quiet guy, na nice guy. From the beginning, you go know say na nice guy. Person will be say you tell her say give me 40, he give you 50. You call look and say that one no do. As he no do, you no feel beg and say bro, see as life be, oh, things tight for me, oh, you know things they like this, things they like that. I beg if you no mind, I beg bros if you dash me small thing, anything by thing or something. So people are so nice that relationship will continue. I'm telling you, not be saying that relationship will break warrior or saying I'm going to do things for the other room or no, not be that relation. I mean, there'll be a cordial relationship between you and this person. Maybe say even if the person don't go, see, for Jean's year, as I day before yesterday, a pound was 830 naira. Person for year dash person for Niger 10 pounds, which is very small money. 10 pounds is very small money. That's like 8,200. 8,300. So if you get better rapport with that guy, red passport maybe in UK. I'm not very sure, but maybe in UK they use red passport. So if you get good rapport with that guy, you beg her money once in a while. Maybe if you change number, if you collect number, once in a while you beg her money, bros. I beg, no verse. You did me like this, you did me like that. If you find me something, you know. Bros give you 20 pounds. 20 pounds for bros not be anything. That's like 16,600. Or bros just close, I give you 50 pounds. That's something to you. The relationship continues and you keep getting from guy. You want to goes. I see the heavy stone neck shit where you carry Ojina. You carry diamond earring, Ole. You cause he collect the guy passport so that he don't go back again. Wishy. Wicked person, wicked people. Who? You collecting passport. What do you what they can do? You devil the answer. Well, is it my face that is in a passport? What will I do with your passport? You get what they can do. You know, say black market day for this kind of passport. People go buy and they go take and run shows. Not be Niger. Jesus, young man like this, you won't finish in life. You don't care how the life go. I don't want to talk about their moral, whether why the man carry ashi, why the man not carry ashi in their business. You know, na consensual thing, the two of them do. My anger, not be even the cause and the time where they get thief, my anger. My anger, not the passport, because that passport, maybe the boy whole life, they wrap around that passport. Why did you pick it? They won't call police. They say, maybe the girl even return the 50K where they give away, they take breakaway over the night. They won't call police. What the police won't do? Police no fit do. And the girl said, "I better guy is jamo." You know, guy when he hear the all say, "Tosa, your wife of fake clear for you go know where you dey." Nonsense and ingredients. According to Mama Theofori, all this nonsense girl where they go for hookup. So we say they will go hookup, they won't go spoil the better people name. We could stop her. My people, the thing invest me when I see the video. He annoyed me. He vex me well. He really vex me. I bet make una enjoy yourself, make una have a lovely day. Nonsense and ingredients. Bye bye, Jare, my people. God bless you. Now, want to watch this video. Now enjoy. Now take care. Now bye bye.